Welcome back everybody. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your name in Instagram without having to wait for 14 days. So let's just jump right into it. First you have to open the Instagram app and then go to your profile and then tap on Edit Profile. From here we tap on Name. Now we can see here that it tells you that you can only change your name twice within 14 days. That means if you have changed your name twice already within 14 days, you will have to wait for other 14 days until you can change your name again. But today I'm going to be showing you how to do that without having to wait, so follow up with me. You'll have to go back to your profile and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner and then tap on Settings and Privacy. From here you're going to scroll down until you find Help. We tap that and then we tap on Report a Problem. Report a problem without shaking. And then from here you will have to explain why you want to change your name. Now maybe you can tell them that one of your siblings have stole your phone and messed up your name, or you can simply just say that you have misspelled your name and you want to change it. You can even upload pictures of your ID card, like your driving license, if you want to put your real name, and they should get back to you in a short time. And that's how you change your name in less than 14 days. If this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future solutions for all of your tech problems. Thanks for watching.